8.
Gonna put the world away for a minute, pretending I don't live in it. Sunshine gonna wash my blues away. Had sweet love, but I lost it. She got too close, so I fought it. Now I'm lost in the world, trying to find me a better way. Wishing I was deep, deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze and it don't seem fair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise.
Restart.
Wrote a note, sent me back in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway. Mind on a permanent vacation. The ocean is my only medication. Wishing my condition ain't ever gonna go away. Cause now I'm deep, deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. This champagne shore washing over me. It's a sweet, sweet life, living by the salty sea. One day you will be as lost as me. Change your geography, maybe you might be. Deep, deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise, there's a fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found me my own kind of paradise. Come on in the water now, spot yourself a little slice. Grab a backpack and lights, you never know until you try. When you lose yourself, you find the key to paradise.
This dance is Knee Deep, choreographed by Peter Motelnik and Alison Biggs, the Dance Factory UK. So 32 count for wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, side, touch, side, kick to diagonal, behind, side, cross, side, touch, side, kick to diagonal, behind, quarter right, step forward, now facing 3. Section 2. Rock forward, recurve, a half turn right scuff, triple a half turn right, facing 3, coaster, step run forward, left, right, left. Section 3, on the right diagonal, step, lock, step, on left diagonal, heel, toe, on left diagonal, step, lock, step, cross, back, side, turning to face 430. Last section, we're going to make a full turn to the right, a circle, coming back to 3, stepping left, right, shuffle forward, left, right, kick, ball, change. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. In this dance there is a restart during all 3 after 16 counts. All 3 starts facing 6 o'clock, so let me show you 16 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. This is the end of 16 counts on wall 3, and you restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. There is also a tag at the end of wall 6, facing 6 o'clock. It's a 4 count tag. Starting with the right foot, forward mambo, back mambo, with counts 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And that's the whole dance.